Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Make sure you're signed in as an administrator and have the Bitlocker recovery key handy. You'll need it if Windows asks. Once done, open Settings, type Manage Bitlocker, and press Enter to reach the Control Panel for encryption. Make sure the PC is connected to power and that you've closed unsaved work. Now select the drive you want to decrypt and click the first actionable option, Turn off Bitlocker. You'll now execute the decryption and monitor progress. After you click Turn off Bitlocker and confirm, Windows begins decrypting the drive and shows a progress percentage. Watch this indicator. The duration depends on drive size and speed. Expect minutes for SSDs, hours for large HDDs. Make sure you do not force shutdown or disconnect power while the process runs, because interruption can cause data issues. If prompted for the recovery key at any step, enter it to continue and resume normal. You'll finish by confirming decryption and handling common problems. Once progress hits 100%, open Manage Bitlocker again to verify the drive status reads off. This ensures encryption is removed. If decryption stalls or percentage freezes, open an elevated command prompt and run Manage BDE status to inspect state and recovery options. If access fails or Windows requests the recovery key repeatedly, supply the key. As a last resort use system, restore or backup recovery. Keep backups before major changes to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.